Hello, my name is Roach and today I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make the BF sound voices. Okay, first you're going to want to go here to this GitHub page for download the BF sound font. Basically what this does, it just means that you can drag notes around on the keyboard and it'll just do it for you. None of this chopping it up, none of this speaking into a microphone. The link will be in the description. I already downloaded it. And also get the 20 version because this one's outdated. It does not sound good. Once that is downloaded, go ahead and open up your copy of FL Studio. Use the 32-bit version because for some reason the sound font generator does not work on the 64-bit. Okay, so here's how you're going to add your sound fonts. First, go here, more plugins, go down here, Rudy sound font player, right there. Go ahead and open the files. I have mine in here. Wherever it downloads, it'll be here, but it'll be called bf.sf2. You don't need to mess with any of this unless you know exactly what you're doing. Go ahead and set one of these if you want. I do it for organization, but see, now you can start messing with notes. I'll go ahead and throw something together right here so you guys can hear what it actually sounds like and stuff. Alright, I'm back. I made this. Go ahead and have a listen. I don't think it's too good. I wouldn't release this, but you know, I just made it for demonstration. Please make sure that when you do export it as an OGG file because none of the other ones are supported or really sound good. Also, remove the vocals when exporting the instrumental, you know the deal. And yeah, that's my tutorial. Like or you are not swag.